Welcome to Mathcation. Let me walk you through how to use our website and get the most out of our resources. Here I am at the home page. Let's say I want an 8th grade lesson on solving two-step equations. First, I go to the 8th grade topics page. Then I scroll down to my desired lesson, in this case, two-step equations. Note that the 8th grade topics page is laid out in an easy-to-read manner so that you can effortlessly find what you're looking for. As I enter the lesson, I can see that our example video is located at the top of the page. Underneath of the video, I see the topic description and a step-by-step example. On the right-hand side of the page, I see notes, practice worksheets, and a quiz for this topic, including a link to download the PDF files for each. Instead of just watching the example video, I want to download the notes so that I can learn the information better and also have notes to review from. I can simply click the download button to download the file. If I am on a computer, I will print the notes and follow along using paper and pencil. If I have a tablet, I can download the notes and complete the notes on the tablet. I decide that I want to practice what I learned from my notes by doing some extra problems. I download one of the practice worksheets and then the mastery quiz. I complete some problems and I use the attach key to check my answers. I like that there are a lot of practice problems, some that are easy and some that are hard, and that I can easily see if I am right or wrong by using the key. You can use Mathcation to review math knowledge or to strengthen understanding of math topics. We hope that this tutorial video helps you. Make learning math easy with Mathcation.